started recording, is it, Tejas?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
I haven't started. I'm just. Okay. Hello, friends. So now today's project is to make a custom skin, and we'll do a code. Okay, I'll tell that later. But okay. So we'll just teleport ourselves to the sky on the command of jump. JUMP. When we put that in the chat box, we are going to jump. Okay, so I'm going to choose a hero. Choose Batman. Okay, I'll choose this guy. Okay, so first we need to download the skin. Okay, it's downloaded. And next, okay, so if you're wondering what these websites are, I'll put them in the description. Okay, so okay, so these are them. I'll You need to first choose a file first, Batman, and then name for skin, Batman, skin pack name, superheroes, and version number 1. Okay, so we haven't edited this yet. This is the first version. So we'll give version number 1, and then we'll give download pack. So it says superheroes.mc pack. Okay, so now what you need to do is open Minecraft Education Edition. It's already open. Then I go to Chrome, click on this. So now you heard a sound. That means it's importing. Already it's imported. So it says successfully imported. It has been imported already. So quick. And okay, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Look at that. So superheroes. This is a skin. Confirm. Okay, and then we'll create a new world. Just make a starting map and show coordinates. Play. Mm-hmm. It's loading. Okay, so we have been spawners, two spawners. That doesn't matter. Okay, so I press C and it says code builder, new project, dumper, create dumper. Okay, so on chat command jump. Okay, we won't need this on chat command jump. Over there, teleport to. We'll make him go 200 blocks high. Okay, and then that's it. So this is for the x-axis, left and right, y-axis, up and down, and z-axis, front and back. We need to go up when we say jump, so I give 200. If we want to go down, I give minus 200 in the y-axis, but that's not needed for now. So I have given 200 and let's click on the compiler button, start. Okay, so I press T, it gets me to the chat, and then I type jump, hit enter. Okay, so I am suddenly somewhere. Oh god, I forgot to. Okay, so I forgot to make it creative mode, but still it's fine. So you can see that position is on 71. If it's on 71, just 50. Okay, so it will start on 271. Just okay. So look, we spawn 200 blocks high and we die. So that's it for the video, friends. Meet you on okay. I'm stuck in a leaf. Stuck in a tree. Thank you for watching the video, guys. I'll meet you soon in another project. So thank you. Bye. Bye.